I've worked with 8-figure clients, just doing marketing with them or improving the process in their business. They had a successful business, but they needed our help to improve the process to make sure things go well. So we've done a little bit of everything. And my desire in choosing to do a lot of different things was to really discover what I'm good at and while making money. I figure it's a good way to do it. Test, experiment, make money at the same time. And that's why I tried a lot of different things. Importing from China, selling wholesale, digital marketing, selling e-commerce or digital products, all kinds of different things just to discover what is it that I'm good at. And I landed with e-commerce. I figure that's the easiest way for me to make money. And for the last couple of years, I made the decision to focus more on e-commerce and Amazon in particular.
Wow, there's a lot to unpack there, Delia, and I'm going to try and walk through that. When and off camera, we were just talking, and what's very impressive about you is you're doing a PhD, as well as running an 8-figure business. But you mentioned that you had some health problems and then studied philosophy. Was that related to each other? Did you study philosophy because you had a health problem?
No, I was finishing my grad degree, my master's degree, and I had a surgery that didn't go well that same year when I finished the grad school. So it just happened that I had some health issues that kept me from being able to work a lot. So for about 6 months, I wasn't doing well at all. And then I just got better. It wasn't something that lasted for a long time. And at that point, it was difficult to find a job because I had a master's degree. Sometimes you're overqualified for certain positions, so people wouldn't give me the job because I was, I guess, overqualified. That's what pushed me into just finding a way to make money on my own.